Hello there, Todd Cosmic Joe here. Doing a little vlog on Monday morning, March 3rd, 2014. You'd think Mother Nature will be done with us here in Baltimore, but hardly the case. Hardly the case. There we go. This. Yep, it's snowing again in Baltimore. See, this was a tree that my father planted. His father's tree. And the stuff is just 6:30 a.m. here at Baltimore, and as you can see, the is kind of dirty, but you can see the bird bath is covered in the snow. It's about 2 inches now. 3 inches. There's my toast popping up. I cooked some eggs to go with a egg sandwich here. See cooking in the microwave. Here's my toast. Gonna make I'll put cheese on my eggs. Got to get some mayonnaise. Rare. Some mayonnaise to cook up my egg sandwich. As I talk to you, I am taking a new medication called methyl extrate or something like that. It's kind of weird because I gotta take I took 2 Wednesday. Oh no, Saturday. I took it. I took 2 Saturday. And I only take them once a week for my psoriasis. So I take that, and I gotta do blood work 5 days later, which is these eggs are not done. I'm gonna put them in another microwave again. Anyway, I gotta take them. Every week. Now, stuck my hand in there. I could take them every week. I took 2 Saturday. I gotta go back for blood work Wednesday, 5 days later. Then I increase them to 4 next Saturday if the blood work goes right. And then I gotta do I gotta go back for blood work the week after. And then I grease into 8 pills. This medication cost me a lot. And I got my creams, triamcinolone cream too, for my psoriasis. I can see my breath. It's cold in there. That's that cold in my house. Because I cannot afford to eat the whole house. Really. I cannot afford to eat the whole house. You can see in my breath. There's a cold in there. So I got my pets in one room. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive in this world. And unfortunately, I gotta live in one room. My electric. No. Yeah, I should have put a plate on this. Man. Well, my eggs are done. Because you see this, I gotta. My eggs are done now. Like overflowing. I put cheese in them. Cheese eggs. It's pouring up for a sandwich now. I'm gonna give some to my puppy, Precious. She loves eggs. Just a little doggy with that. Me doing breakfast. I'm gonna give Precious some eggs from this egg sandwich. We usually do it on the top of the stove, but I kind of lazy. I don't wanna do a lot of this cold water. You can see her. Red-tailed ox out there. Yep, they got red-tailed ox all the time. You can hear them out there today. My puppy will be happy with this. See the steam coming up every time I do them because of the cold. And it's probably like 30 degrees in here. I'm gonna say that later on. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes to survive in this world. I do anyway. So most of you are more walled up than me, so when you're less walled up. Yeah. It's snowing pretty good out here. Supposed to snow for like 6 more hours. I'll do not go up. Better view out here. Kind of cold, so I live on the train tracks. I got train tracks, so I'll always either to trains. I've been documented sometimes the red-tailed hawks. Here's a trap that some guy, a former colleague of mine, trying to steal for the memo. This memo crate here, I got on the top of my fired barrel. He trying to steal that too. And he had a nerve, to come to my door a few days ago and asked if I was in my shed and if I would give him some money so that he can cash it in for his drug habit. I told him no. Told him I didn't want him around here. My neighbor thinks he's my friend. He's not my friend, per se. So somebody that I used to hang with years ago. And, you make choices in your lifetime who you hang with. And if we're not for my stroke, I will probably still be a drunk addict. God bless me. And I had a person living here that was, I'll start talking here, sorry. I had a person living there who abandoned his girlfriend to visit them every week. And I let her come here. Of course, she got drunk and shit-faced every week, and she stole money from him every week and praying me for it. Praying me for they're stealing the money, which I didn't do. Never did, and never stole a dime from this guy. But to him, because he's in love with this girl, he that's my buddy's probably scratching. Because he's in love with this girl, she can do no wrong to him. Which is evil. A lot of women are evil out there. Men too, but women especially, I've ever prayed. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. She's exploring. There's my kitty cat, of course. Leah. Leah, kitty cat. On my chair, my almost chair. Come on, kitty cat. She's going to explore. There. Play. They play together. My puppy and my caddy. Yeah. Anyway, let's share my morning for you video. And there's supposed to snow all morning here in Baltimore, Maryland. I'm gonna eat my sandwich, egg sandwich and mayonnaise, toasted. Take my I gotta take folic acid 2 every day for my renal extrait, I think it's called. I gotta do blood work Wednesday. Hopefully I can get somebody to take me, and if not, I'm gonna walk up a mountain to get there. Probably document that this time. People gotta, I prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed for my buddy to hit the lottery. He's told me, he had a nerve enough to told me, he believed in Jesus Christ when he thought I was stealing money from him. I said, yes, I believe in Jesus Christ. And that's when I became a ordained minister. And I prayed and prayed and prayed for him to hit the lottery, and he did, for $1 million. Why? Because God seen that his girlfriend Chrissy was ripping him off, and he wanted me to get him out of my house, because she was, she hated on me so much. Hated on me so much over the past few years there. And yeah, he hit the lottery for $1 million. Of course, he's not my friend anymore. He got his house. He didn't ever let me see what it was or visit after I took him in. So karma is a bitch, and so is she. So I'm not gonna do anything towards them. I'm not gonna do anything. Come on, puppy, come on. I'm not going to do anything towards him because I know God is on my side. And God's going to help me out. Anyway, there's my puppy Precious. She's looking forward to some eggs this morning. Aren't you, puppy Precious? Gonna get some eggs this morning with me, puppy Precious? Huh? Yeah, my buddy gave me this dog, and one of the only things he really did for me that really was kind and considerate. He's a kind of considerate person, but he listens to thieves and liars. That's instead of trusting me, because it's all he guys that go by was being trusting thieves and liars. Oh boy, I got a lot of eggs for you, puppy Precious. Just gonna eat them up. Anyway, thanks for viewing my video this morning. Being it's supposed to snow for a few more, like 6 more hours for gonna get a foot of snow out there, probably. So I'll be snowed in again. March 3rd. It's still murder time here. Polar pork sticks can't kiss my ass, really, anymore. Thanks for chiming in with me. Peace, love to y'all. Take care. Have an awesome week. I'll see ya when I see ya. Bye-bye.